College bune pibro te akane ka video mata ngan patai spangane ka recruitment Indian Army recruitment ka post name kadai join Indian Army NCC 52 special entry course online form 2022 takamut ba ka dei tang nam tai badon NCC certificate la bom don NCC certificate kimla aban apply. Okay, Indian Army join Indian Army has recently invited to online application form for the NCC special entry scheme 52 April 22 course recruitment. Okay, ngat directly join Indian Army NCC special 52 entry recruitment 22 October 22 course. Okay, application fee 0, general SCST 0. Important date start date kadai duk khatsan March, last date kadai khatlai tarik April arjar fuan. Course start October 22. Kan mau tang kibadon NCC certificate take last date ban submit kadai khalai tarik April arjar fuar. Okay, payment mode online, submission also online. Okay, age limit as on 1/7/2022 kadai khat khandai hadu arpsan snam. Eligibility kidi long candidate have bachelor degree any stream with 50% mark from any recognized university. Candidate have NCC B or C certificate. Kan mau kino mau kibadon NCC B lane C certificate kita artama. Tang kibadon NCC kila ban apply. Dekane kadai kadon notice jang katuka NCC Special Entry Scheme 52 course October 22. Depan yo ekane ka notice phaban lek napo ka Indian Army website mo. Dengan sobatai bah kumno ban apply age limit la batai lepa har khanda haidu options name. Kidem de graduate 100% di kamak pass. Kidem NCC holder NCC B la adap ong mane. Okay. Service in NCC should have served for minimum 2-3 years as applicable. Vacancy NCC men 50, 45 for general category and 5 for ward of battle casualties of Indian Army personnel only. NCC women 5. Nam tak sendang kadon san potelik post sau san nam tak general category but san nam tak ward battle. Nam tak kan thai kadon san post sau nam tak general category but she nam tak ward of battle. Casualty of Indian Army personnel only. Okay, term and condition of service kadai khat sau name. For an initial period of 10 years extendable by further of 4 years. Okay ma. Te kumno ban apply ma ngan peniang ne kumno ban apply and like direct wait kumno ban apply. Okay, how to apply ne ma. Application will only be accepted online on website www.joinindianarmy. Kan mau ikan website ma. Join Indian Army sa check na kato joinindianarmy.nic.in. Nam tai kwa tab kam spy kidi ban check baja kan ka website joinindianarmy.nic.in. Click on officer entry application, login ki bampat pan registration pihak ban registration first. If already register don kam show pendapat direct. Fill the online registration form after reading the instruction carefully. After getting registered, click on apply online on the dashboard. The page selection officer eligibility will open. Ndai pila daban pendap hang tu kelak dalam kejung batai nadang sedang pi ban apply i baro tapi have register sure ada register sa apply sa klik ni tu baro ki ban kaman pendap haban pendap man submit ki submit man submit te ki dokumen ki ban kam self attested copy of document along with their original are to be carried to the selection center by the candidates dewan ra. One copy of print out application katu ka print out dapat ada ban submit ada ban siu e baro pia ban ra katu ka print out with self attested photograph, matriculation secondary school examination certificate, equivalent certificate and mark sheet issued by the concerned board of education. Upload certificate. In case parent name Mara is not mentioned in the matriculation school examination certificate or equivalent certificate, the sender is required to produce any document issued by recommended of India or state government as PAN card, Aadhaar card. Di merak ko ini gitu, lada kam mention di teng pa. 12 class certificate, graduation certificate, mark sheet certificate, all years, semester, professional degree, NCC certificate. Certificate regarding CGPA conversion, certificate from the principal head of institution stating that the candidate is in final year, declaration of the candidate final year degree. Okay. Any candidate who does not carry the above document for the SSB interview, his hair condition will be cancelled and he will be returned. Okay. Tesara alu di ki dokumen ki berada batang tu, kita bi kuat ban apply sa late na pok website joinindianarmy.nic.in. Tidak late yang tu bisa syam Pilaban Paitang Kibadon NCC certificate. tangki badon NCC certificate tangki nahi kulish bon